All right, so special thanks to Goldfarm for sending me a set of their, I guess 2 sets, of their disposable 40 pair, for their 40 pair of pasties, as we'll call them. Let's open it up and show you real quick. So we got a little manual here, and this is what the little pasties look like. Oh man, look at that, they're like gold. So there's a lot of them in here. I knew there was 40, but I didn't realize it was like that. So that's really how it works. That covers the, you know, and this part just is able to peel off. Looks like it's torn right there. And so that's a little sticky part. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, then this covers up that area. You know what I mean. So I thought these were a different color, but these seem to be exactly the same. They're all that gold color. So there you go. You get 40 of them in one pack. Of course, you'd have to use 2 every time, assuming. And so, you know, you get 20 different uses out of one box. So, you know, that's 20 big events. These would last you a good minute. The sticky feels good and sticky, but not like painful when it peel off. And then this part is actually really soft. The middle part here feels very, very soft. So I think these would work great to, you know, cover up those important bits. So thank you guys for watching. Again, thanks to Goldfarm for sending me to show you guys an unboxing of what you're getting. 2 thumbs up for them. And you know, I would show you these on my wife, but I don't think that's in the policy and allowed to do. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.